Look at this. Steaming hot. Mmm. Almost high noon. It's barbecue time. Let's go over to Seb's. Come on, dudes. Niagara Falls can't be that good. Hey, Frenchie!
What's up,
Sub. Let's go, boys. Aero time. All right.
How many batteries do you have at a time?
I just have one so far. Right. Hey, keep friend. So yeah, Seb is my go-to EUC ride bro. Despite his politics, he's a solid dude. I guess having grown up as a teenager in Holland means I have a natural affinity to anyone European. And this mofo here is the Frenchiest Frenchman I know in Canada. Quebecois doesn't count.
I mean, the only reason I picked this spot because the wood.
Yep. Yeah, that's cool. They're all pretty similar anyway. Oh. For the fan the fire. Yeah, it's been a while since we came to this campground.
On the joint too.
Oh, nice. Have a grill.
It'll do. My concern is the height.
We just need a big fire. Seb and I started this barbecue and ride routine about a year ago, simply because we're both hardcore carnivores and we love to ride. This is but one of several spots around Oakville that we frequently chill at. Fucking scorpion pepper, I use the entire pack, so it's like deadly concentrated. Also fried it with lard. It's got bits of chicharron in there too. Yeah, that's a good looking joint.
Maybe the point with the flavor would have been way better.
The flavor is great.
It's nothing. Put the weed inside the jar. And initially you will have to change the water every day because overnight it's gonna turn green, like cloudy and green.
So all those crystals in the water, it stays on. It stays on the plant. It's not gonna fall into the water.
These are called
The trichromes, right?
trichromes.
Yeah. I kind of fucked up setting up my bong, like the first time when I packed it in there. When I inhaled, all the bong fucking came up to the, I think I had too much water in there. It came up to where the bowl is. I was so worried. But afterwards, I fired it up. I still flashes off the smell.
It removes all flavor. There's zero flavor to the thing. All terpenes are gone, but the trichromes are still there, right? So all you lose is chlorophyll, which is why you cure the weed in the first place. Else you've got that greeny taste, which is not nice. and all the terpenes are gone. So you have no flavor, no smell. Stealth joint. You can roll cigarette at work, smoke this with your boss next to you, no one will fucking know.
So it's almost like vaping. Like
it's even better than vaping because
That's
vaping
crazy.
has the smell.
Have you seen the show Weed? It was a great show about weed, and then in one of the scenes, like this lady, like her entire harvest got thrown into a swimming pool, and basically ruined it. I'm guessing because of the chlorine, right? Yeah. And some motherfucker tried to smoke it afterwards, drying it out from the pool. He's like, oh fuck, that's fucking nasty. So I don't know, like it must be the chlorine then, because I've always thought like if you get it wet, it's fucked forever.
No, in fact, you actually buy little pouches of up to 70% humidity, and you put those in the jar to keep the weed from drying too much. The other technique is you can put orange peels or banana peels. It will transfer the moisture of these things into the weed, and sometimes even some of the flavors, especially with orange peel.
Look at all the meat.
This lunch, let's
Footage I get. Whoopa!
It's already mid-November and getting cold, so we're probably at the end of the season when it comes to activities like this. We've had a busy summer though, and we do stuff like this almost weekly, with as many fellow riders in the community as possible. If you want to see more of the barbecue group rides that we do, please check out my Instagram link down below.
Oh man, I'm scared to do that. It's like what Kong does.
So the biggest problem I found so far is actually braking.
Breaking.
Yeah, you know how seated you already brake difficult,
Yeah,
more
yeah.
difficult.
Yeah, it's even more difficult
Yeah,
to.
yeah. But with no feet, it's like almost you can't brake.
Damn. Yeah, peppers too. Alright, dude. You gotta. Like this much. Oh, nice. Look at this. Just how I like it. That's good, man. That's a good medium rare. Oh, the pepper. Look at this. Steaming hot. Let's see what this looks like. Mmm. Mmm. Juicy. Man, it starts snowing tomorrow.
Ready for this?
Well, we're barbecuing in the snow at least once. Yeah, man. That's the way to go, dude. That's the way to go. You're gonna need that entire mushroom.
Not doing anything.
Okay, okay.
I'm not gonna do it again.
Like what we're doing? If you're a fellow rider who likes chill rides and going off-road, feel free to hit us up and join. Hopefully on an EUC, but we welcome all manners of electric rides as long as you can keep up. But no worries, no one will be racing. Chill and ride is our motto and happens to be the name of the WhatsApp group of which both Seb and I are members. Who cares about overpriced restaurants? Save those for the person you sleep with. Now let's talk a little bit about the Nosfet Aero currently beneath my feet.
Ooh! Oh yeah! Fucking A.
I love this wheel, almost like a puppy love, because of the sheer joy it brings me. What it lacks in speed, it more than makes up for in fun. Dialed in properly to your own weight, and you'll feel like you're riding a Nimbus Cloud off-road. Speaking of off-roading, I have to note that the stock pedal height is simply too low for that purpose. Not unless you crave the feeling of pedal clipping on rocks and roots like the masochist you likely are. So I inserted a pair of 1/4-inch risers to the shocks, and now it rides just like a mini Lynx. Look 'em up. Now you can frolic around like the puppies and feel the puppy love for the Nosfet Aero.
Hey doggy! Hey guys! Hello girl, we're both close. Thank you. Hey doggy! Yeah! Hey, yeah!
Seb's here riding on the Inmotion V14. This fool here crashed about as many times as me, arguably. mighty off-road master V14 is still rolling strong. My Aero may be playful and fun, but the V14 is the serious off-road workmaster.
Nice little ride.
Very nice view. Oh man, I am thankful for the footage. It's been a good day, man. Talk around Saturday this time. It's great. It still looks great. It's still a lot of leaves. Love it.
Again.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Right. Good fucking day, man. We'll do it again.